In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download your Etsy Payments Sales CSV in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy lets you export your full payment history as a CSV file, which is perfect for tracking revenue, analyzing performance, and preparing taxes. Now, if you want to download your Etsy Payments Sales CSV, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, open your Shop Manager from the top menu. After that, go to Finances and select Payment Account. Then, look for the Download Data option inside your payment account. Now, choose your preferred date range for the report. After that, select CSV as the file format. Then, click on Download or Generate CSV and wait a few seconds for the file to be prepared. Once ready, your CSV file will download to your device. Next, open the file using tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to review your sales data. Keep in mind that this file includes important details like sales, fees, and payouts, which you can use for accounting and performance tracking. Also, comparing this data with your bank deposits helps ensure everything matches correctly. That's it. By downloading your Etsy Payments Sales CSV, you can manage your shop finances more accurately and make smarter business decisions.